This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Magnificent, luxury estate in the heart of Ford's Colony, Williamsburg's premier award-winning gated community. Nearly 7,000 square feet across 3 living levels featuring 6 bedrooms, 4 full and 2 half baths, designer chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, gorgeous primary bath with steam shower and freestanding tub on the main level, 3 gas fireplaces, secret door with hidden storage, park-like grounds with heated saltwater pool and spa, outdoor fireplace and extensive paver patio entertainment space. Fantastic floor plan with additional office on the main level, library loft and bonus room upstairs and second living room and amazing storage on the lower level. Extensive trim work throughout and only the highest level of finishes. This exquisite home has everything you are looking for and more. For more information, review the details below.